Hi, my name is Tanaya Jacobs, and this is my poster project. I did it on cloned animals. What is a clone? A clone is an organism or a cell that is genetically identical to another, resulting from asexual reproduction or genetic engineering. This guy right here, Ian, he made the first animal clone named Dolly, and she was a lamb. He was the first man to clone. Wilmot is an embryologist responsible for a cloned sheep named Dolly. In 1974, he joined the Animal Breeding Research Station of the Roslin Institute, where he would later become head of the Department of Gene Expression and Development. In 1996, he and his team successfully produced a pair of lambs from embryonic cells. This is Dolly, how she was made. They had an egg donor, a nuclear donor. They removed the egg from the nucleus, selected a single cell. They combined the cells using electric shock. The combined cell began to divide, and here she is. She was created from a fusion of the ovum with the memory cell of an adult sheep, creating a genetic replica of the original animal. This type of cloning is called reproductive cloning. He first removed the egg's nucleus containing its genetic material. Then the egg took up the genetic material, began to grow and divide, and placed into the surrogate mother, and that's how Dolly was born. I'm sorry, my eyes are itchy. Okay. As you heard here, Dolly was made from reproductive cloning. There are 3 different types of clones. There's gene cloning, reproductive cloning, therapeutic cloning. Gene cloning involves copy of genetic and segments of the DNA. Reproductive cloning, Dolly. Oh my God. Reproductive cloning, which is Dolly, creates copies of whole animals, like these 2 tigers here. The therapeutic cloning creates embryonic stem cells, which I have a model of right here. The purpose of cloning and the benefits. Cloning allows scientists to better understand the biology and genetics behind the development process of organisms. Some benefits are the advancement in medical modifications such as diseases, organ replacements, and drug testing. It also conserves existing species, could possibly bring back extinct ones. Here we have the health effects and ethical perspective. Health is an extremely important factor in this topic. In fact, Dolly the sheep only lived for 6.5 years versus the 10 to 15 years that she was expected to live because she had lung cancer. Many health complications can occur, such as immune system defects, organ malfunctions, physical deformities, large offspring syndrome, and many more. For the ethical standpoint, many see it as risky and wrong, especially when it comes to cloning humans. Global influence. Animal cloning is only legal in 8 countries. Because of cloning, scientists can now turn stem cells into nerve cells to fix a damaged spinal cord, or insulin making cells to treat diabetes. Some countries embrace cloning for its benefits in food production, scientific advancement. Others remain cautious due to the ethical, environmental, and health concerns. Fun facts. Cloned animals age twice as fast as normal animals. As you could see, in Dolly's case, her lifetime got cut in half, clearly. Sea urchins were the first organisms to be cloned. And every navel orange is a clone of a genetically mutated Brazilian orange, which I have right there. And here are my 3 cited works. I hope you enjoyed this presentation.